What's up? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the returning subscribers. To the new subscribers, thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. For the active ones, thank you for viewing the video. As you can tell, New Year's. I don't. If it's out of focus, I'm sorry. This camera's trash. Sorry, brain fart. But if you're new, like I said, welcome to the people who are active. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. For New Year's, this is not considered a New Year's resolution video. It's like, I guess it's pretty much things I want to accomplish that I did not accomplish due to circumstances that I can talk about in a later video once I'm out of this job. But yeah, man, these are goals that I want to accomplish. What are your goals? Comment them down below, because I do want to hear it. I know like a lot of YouTubers say that, but I will actually like read the comments. It may take me a couple of days. Like, to new people, the reason why I respond so late, because sometimes people work like me. Like, so sometimes I can't get to my computer or watch videos until like 2-3 days later. So that's why I wait so long to reply back to like videos and stuff like that. So it's not like I'm ignoring people and stuff like that. It's just, it takes me a couple of days because I want to respond to everybody. And if I don't respond to you, I'm not being rude. It's just like, I don't know if it's spam or not, because a lot of these new spam accounts, like, they're starting to sound like people. That's what YouTube needs to be concerned about. But anyway, welcome to my goals of 2024. These are not in any particular order per se, but yeah, man, let's get to it. If you see a lot of cuts, it's because, like, bro, this chick that I'm talking to, she's like a Leo, and if you're a Capricorn, you messing with a Leo, you know, if you don't respond, okay, I'm just saying it like that, but yeah. Oh yeah, Laker Nation. Oh, and Humbly Driven, get the merch. This is like not the final product, but yeah. But yeah. The first goal is, obviously, I want to get this channel to where I want it to be. I want to have like 20K before summer, but I know that's not gonna happen. I mean, I know I say fuck it, it's gonna happen, but I'm trying to get this to at least 20K or at least 20K views by summer. Yeah, man, I'm just sick of staying stagnant. I've been doing this channel on and off for like years, and it's like, bro, I see these other YouTubers who don't care about their subscribers, but the people who actually care and would actually give back to like their subscribers or whatever, like, they're not supported, bro. Or if they are supported, like, they're the most hated. Like me, I want to do like throttle type stuff, like build cars and then give it back to my subscribers and stuff like that. So that's what I want to do. And also, I do apologize, I'm drinking coffee. If you're one of those coffee people who can like drink coffee and you just go right to sleep, shout out to you. Oh yes, it's Capricorn season. I mean, we the GOAT. Shout out to my Capricorns, bro. Shout out to my Aquarius. I'm a Cap Aquarius, cause I'm like the last day. And shout out to y'all sexy ass Virgos. Virgo, whoo! I don't know about the dudes, but the women, whoo! But yeah. And another thing too, I want to get me and Vince's podcast up and running. Should be on screen. The link will be down below. Yeah, because I can't say too much. We're gonna upload. I'm not sure we're gonna upload. Ain't no events as always. We're gonna talk tonight. But yeah, and also I'm sorry ADD, but I'm not sure when this video is gonna go up, because today is the 30th. Tomorrow's New Year, so I'm not. It's either gonna go up the 31st, the 1st, or the 2nd. Because I have a video planned for tomorrow. But so I might just do 2 uploads each day. I mean, 1 upload back and forth, but yeah. But anyway, I want to get our podcast up and running. I want to have guests. I mean, we had our guests, but it doesn't work out. Let's just say it's a lot of shit that happened with them people. It's really the girl. It's always the girl that caused issues and stuff, you know. So, femme women. Yes, I'm not one of those studs. I know I'm a girl. I'm talking about the feminine women. There are a lot of issues when it comes to relationships, friendships, and why I'm up, like, be going head to head. It's always the females' fault. The females, bro. They cause it. Dude stalking me over her for 2-3 years or whatever. Okay. But, yeah. Like, you dad whipped. Trying to get the podcast up and running. Sorry if I'm looking at this. I'm so used to it. But yeah, want to have guests. And it's not just going to be cars. This channel is probably going to be 90% cars. But yeah. And I want to get Humbly Driven up and running. I want to find a new co-owner because right now, I don't know if I'll ever start doing videos again. The DMV car scene, it got me like not even want to participate in the scene because, bro, it's even other states, especially just the East Coast in general, like other states like California, what is it? Main thing is like people from California and like other states, they're like, it's so much hate and drama, and it is like half the time it has nothing to do with cars, bro. Like, what does this have to do with cars? Nothing. What does this have to do with cars? Nothing. And if it is about cars, there's so much hate, so much less. If somebody want a V6, let them get a V6. The point is making a car faster, bro. Like, people forgot what car culture is about. But, so that's why it's like I kind of like stopped doing the interviews, and also with camera failed. But it's like I want to get Humbly Driven back up and running. It's gonna be a clothing brand for right now, and I still want to help people, like give back to people, help people who can't, you know, like people who couldn't afford Christmas or like during COVID, we could have been a big help. But sadly, like I said, I'm looking for a new co-owner who's extremely obsessed with cars like I am, bro. Like, bro, if I see a car, I'm doing a U-turn. I don't care where I'm going on, I'll be late. But yeah, like someone who's obsessed with cars. Like, I don't like Teslas, but I'm not gonna bash someone because they want to modify the Tesla. I think it's cool. Me personally, I don't think I would ever get one. I'm not gonna say never, but I probably would get one as a daily to do like roller clips if I do get back into it because it's quiet and like you can hear the exhaust. But because every car I get is gonna be modified. So yeah, definitely looking for a new co-owner who can help, and not just there. Because the co-owner that I have now, bro, he's no help, and always it's because of a girl. Like, bro, you can spend money on car parts, but you can't help me with business expenses or graphic design. You can't go 50-50 with me. I'm always paying for promotions. I'm always doing this and doing that. Like, he doesn't even check in to see what's going on with the company. Like, so I need a new co-owner where it's not just me. That's why I like Vince, because with the podcast, it's not just me just hitting him up for the podcast to see what we're doing, when we're doing, and all this stuff. He hit me up too. It's not just that. But like this idiot, bro. If you want to know that story, I posted, but the full story, like, I posted. But it's like it's draining. Now I see what Nick was talking about. On one of his videos, his recent videos, about saying never go into business with friends. I don't even know if he considers me a friend. Like, 'cause he doesn't call me. He doesn't do nothing. Like, bro, we can go months, whatever. He doesn't call or check in or do anything. Like, it's because of that stupid. No, I'm not gonna say it, because me being a Capricorn, I can be very harsh with my words, but I don't care. Anyway, 4, I don't know if I'm counting, but 4, I want to get a BRZ first before I get my dream car, a Mustang GT or GT350 or GT500 or a Super Snake. Cause I want to start off with something slow. I don't want to start off with something like my first time out in a car, like being something fast. I want something slow where I can learn manual and stuff like that. And for the people who don't understand why I don't have a car to modify, it's like, bro, cause I'm helping my mom with bills. I'm helping taking care of. She can't work. She can't do this. And my brothers won't step in. So I have her bills to worry about and my bills. I don't have mommy and daddy money like some of these people. And I don't live home rent free. I'm helping paying mortgage, electricity bills, water bills, shit breaks, stuff like that. So I don't live home rent free like some of these people, you know. I'm being adulting. I do want to cut more people off who are like phony. Cut more fake people off. And number 6, get better gear for the channel. Because like I said, this camera sucks, bro. And like the autofocus, I will turn it on, but it's so loud. But yeah, this is like a T5i. So yeah, that's how broke I am. Can't afford it. But and a GoPro. But yeah, I want the new, what is it? Insta360. No, it's not Insta360. Is it Insta360 Pro? I think it is that, bro. It's like a GoPro, but better. And it's better in low light for car music. Haha! I'm gonna try it. So I want to do that. Get more channels, get more better equipment for like this. And then the podcast channel, better mics, better, Yeah, number 7. getting this girl that I'm talking to, get her ass in order, bro. Like, fucking Leos, bro. Like, if you, also, welcome to the channel. I am highly into zodiacs. People, like, bro, like, I don't know what is up with her, bro. Like, it's like she likes to argue. It's like, I don't know, bro. But get her in order. Get her, like, to understand, like, bro, I'm not one of them studs that think I'm a dude. I'm not one of them studs who go around. She takes me being friendly to people as flirting, bro. I don't flirt with anyone. It's just like, bro, I'm very outgoing. I'm very social when I want to be. It's like, I'm not going to be rude unless you're rude to me. So, yeah, I want to be nice to you. Like, one night, bro, I was drunk as shit. This girl said free shots. I mean, free shots, free liquor. So, yes, I would have do it. Like, that was it. It was nothing to it other than that. She got mad about it. Like, bro, like, to y'all fam ladies or girls, whatever y'all want to be called, is there something wrong with that? Especially if it's nothing sexual. Like, bro, you give me free shit. Of course I want to take it. We were both, me and that lady were both drunk. It was nothing like that. But, and also, like, I don't, it's a lot, bro. I don't know. But get her in order. Get her to understand, like, I only have eyes for her and her only. And number 8, get the hell out of Maryland. Like I said, my dream goal is to, like, move to California or Texas or Florida. Cause, like, bro, this, like I said, this state, not even just a car scene, but this state in general is just so negative. Like, they're so evil, hateful. It's like, bro, I'm not like that. And it's turning me into like that. If you follow my car page and you know, like, I'm always spazzing out because, bro, like, you're following me for another dude to report back to another dude. If that's not gay shit, bro. And then they're just like, just in general, like, they're just so evil, hateful, and racist and homophobic. And, bro, sorry about the light. Turn this up. But yeah, there's some evil people here, bro, just for no reason. And number 9, I do want to work out, bro. I want to get buff. Like, everything else is good. It's just my stomach. I want my 6-pack back, bro. And I do want to get bigger muscles, but these goddamn. But I do want to bulk up a lot. It's like, only thing is, it's hard for me to gain weight. As with females, maybe I think it is a female thing, but all our weight, it either goes to our stomach and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely want to do that. Like, get toned, get buff, and stuff like that. And I do want to try either kickboxing or Muay Thai. I mean. Yeah, but I think I'm too old. You never ask a woman her age, okay? Don't do it. It's like, it's not the gay shit. Yeah, so yeah, I want to do that. I want to do Muay Thai, learn that, or kickboxing, whatever. I do think I'm too old for all that shit, but hey, you never know. And the last one, 10 but not least, I want to go back to school, like automotive school. My dream college or university is Ohio State. It's obviously just for YouTube, but, like, I've always been into cars. Like, I know how to do certain things. Like, I know how to change a tire, know how to check oil, know how to add fluid, know how to do an oil change. But other stuff, I don't really know how to do. And shout out to my homie Puma for letting me help him with the engine build that he did. Even though I still didn't learn much, like, bro, I don't want to be in people's way. And also people, like, they get frustrated because I don't know, so they're like, oh, I'll just take care of it. Like, bro, how am I gonna learn? And I can't just really just learn stuff on YouTube. I'm more like hands-on learning. So yeah, definitely. And I also definitely want to learn to build engines, bro. That's another reason why I want to go to Ohio State, because they also, like, they deal with NASCAR and stuff like that. So if you're into automotive, you can go there and they'll help you get into a career with NASCAR or whatever else, or whatever place you want to work at, they have connections, so they're good with that. So yeah, I definitely want to go back to school, like I said, Ohio State University. So I want to learn how to build engines and stuff like that. And from, like, I looked up what are the top 3 best schools to go to. It's Ohio. Yeah, and they're highly respected from what I hear in, like, the automotive industry. So yeah, man, that's it. What are your goals for 2024? Comment them down below. Who's your favorite automotive YouTuber? Matter of fact, mine right now is Josh Laurent, bro. Josh Laurent and Finding It. And obviously TJ Hunter Givens and stuff like that. And yeah, man. Waiting on Keon. Brad just uploaded the other day. Shout out to Brad Too Fitted. Waiting for Keon, Mr. Brockoff Johnson, to upload. And Drizzy, start your channel, bro. I know you don't watch my YouTube, but yeah, man. What are your 2024 goals, bro? Oh, one thing, a bonus is, like, I already said learn manual, but I definitely want my dad. If you have parents who are in the Vietnam War, then you'll probably understand where I'm coming from. Like, I want to see my dad, but it's just, he's very bad with texting anyway, but I want to see my dad because he's getting older, and like the only thing is what's stopping me is just like the communication, because he's dealing with PTSD, and it's like he's not all there because he was, like I said, he was in Vietnam War. He saw and seen a lot of shit. I don't know. It's a lot of stuff. If you want me to talk about my dad, just comment it down below. But yeah, man, I'm out. Y'all stay humble. Y'all stay driven. F Cancer. Happy New Year. Peace. Hey.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.